We're doing a feature on mulches. What's your favourite mulch, Michelle? Yuki mulch. Tina, what's your favourite mulch?
A pine bark.
Wait, where are you going? He's running away from the camera.
I'm just gonna, yeah.
I've got a question.
Yes.
What's your favourite mulch? What's your favourite mulch?
What's your favourite mulch?
No, I'm asking
So
you.
you gotta return the favour.
Probably sugarcane.
Sugarcane?
Yeah.
I want to know what your favourite mulch is. What mulch do you like best and why?
Yeah, Blackwood's pretty good.
Hi guys, Murray here from Diaco's Garden Nursery. It's an absolutely gorgeous day today and we are going to be talking about mulches. Come with me, I'm going to take you into our garden supply and run through some stuff. Let's do it. All these beautiful natives. Bottle brushes are out in flower, which is always good. Mulches, there's heaps of benefits, hence why you should always be mulching your garden. We've got to our garden supply area. So here's where we stock all of our mulches in bulk. Our most popular mulch in the garden is our blackwood mulch. The great thing I like about the coloured mulches, and that's your blackwood mulch, your brown mulch, so your mulches that have been dyed a colour, most of that mulch is hardwood. So the beauty behind hardwood is it doesn't break down as quick as some of the other natural mulches. It retains the weeds or keeps the weeds out. It retains a lot of moisture, really outlines your garden beds. If you want to create like a bit of a feature area, use your blackwood mulch because obviously it gives you that colour. The red mulch, similar things to your black where it's a hardwood. Yuki mulch, because it's low in phosphorus, Yuki mulch is ideal for an Australian native garden. There's your brown wood mulch, blackwood, redwood, brown mulch. There's no right or wrong. So pine bark, beauty behind your pine bark is it's a natural mulch. Very, very popular. Some people use it as a playground mulch as well because it's quite soft. And you can get different sizes in pine bark. So this one's like a 10 mil. Then also there's a thicker pine bark, chamomile mulch. So again, it's a form of pine mulch, just different colours compared to the traditional pine bark, so it's a little bit lighter in colour. And mulches are great, and they're great for the garden because they do a lot of stuff for your garden. If I had a veggie box, I'd be using an organic compost or a sugarcane mulch because those things put nutrition and nitrogen back into your soil. There are plenty of mulches here. So that's your redwood, that's your Yuki mulch, it's your pine bark, you've got blackwood, the organic stuff's over here, so you've got things like sugarcane mulch, and then you've got mushy compost over there. You've got like a moisture mulch, which there's a lot of body through it, so it retains a lot more moisture than most mulches. So mulches, great for suppressing weeds, retaining moisture, and adding colour into your garden. With your organic mulches, great for putting the goodness back into the ground. Thanks for watching. Remember to like, share, and subscribe. Till next time, ciao, ciao.